Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking you through how to decorate a shaggy cake with buttercream. This was actually a cake that needed to be recreated. It was a wedding cake and it was transformed into this shaggy cake that you see. So I initially had to remove all the sugar paste and I basically tore it down to the bare minimum, and here you see me reapplying some buttercream and scraping it off, and just ensuring that it has a good crumb coat. So once I did that, I now moved on to the eyes of the shaggy cake. So it's a shaggy cake that has some eyes. I wouldn't call it a monster cake, but it's a shaggy cake that has eyes. So I proceeded to do the eyes, and as you can see, I used the normal round shape cutter, and you can see me trying to make it into an oval with my fingers, getting the right size. I wasn't sure of the exact size to make, so I made two different sizes, as you can see from the video. Here I'm making the black part of the eyes. Now I've adjusted to the cake. I crumb coated the cake and put it away to chill and apply the eyes. And here you can see me doing the movement with the buttercream, and I used a grass tip. I will show you the grass tip. I will include details of the grass tip later on. And I like this cake because it's very simple. It's just squeezing and pulling away, and it's more or less effortless because the grass tip does the job for you. All you have to do is just section out the parts and the colors that you want, and this is what I did here. So you can see a close-up of what's done, how the tip works, and that's just me deciding where each color needs to go. So there's no particular science to this. All you just have to do is determine for yourself how you want it to look. And at this point, I had done majority of it. I had a variety of colors. As you can see, I'm just filling the orange bit here. Yeah, another section filling in orange, and I think what I have left is pink to fill in, but you see me going through the whole process, so you can actually see step by step for yourself. It's very easy, I would say. It's something I would rate it at beginner level, so it's something a beginner can do, especially if you have the right tip. So you just squeeze and pull away, and it's almost like a layer effect. You start with the lower and you layer on top of it, so that way it gives it the steps, and that allows it to create the effect of the shaggy. But I suppose there's no wrong or right way to do it, but that's just how I went about it. Oops, mistake there. At this point, I just had the pink to go, and I'm just filling in all the gaps that are left for the pink, and ensuring that it has the nice shag effects going around. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I look forward to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.